Kids, welcome back in our EVS class. Student, today in our EVS class we will discuss our topic health is wealth. Beta, this is our chapter 8. See revision of this chapter. Beta, first you should know what is health. Student, health is the state of being well and free from illness. It is very important for all of us because we all want a good health condition. So what we should do for good health? We should do exercise. We must do exercise every day. Why? Because exercise keeps us fit and healthy, and body fitness is the secret of our healthy life. Student, do you know playing game is also a good exercise? You should do play game every day, outdoor or indoor. Okay? And swimming is also a good exercise. Dance is also a good exercise. So my dear students, you can do any exercise every day and keep yourself fit and healthy. Okay? Now posture. What is a posture, student? Posture is the way a person holds their body. Posture क्या होता है? हम हमारी बॉडी को कैसे होल्ड कर रहे हैं? बेटा, when we stand, our back should be straight, and when we sit, then also our back should be straight. While walking, we must keep our chest out and our head high. Okay? And we must not read while lying on the bed or sofa. जब हम कुछ भी रीड कर रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, तो हमें सोफे या बेड पर लेट के नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. ओके? So students, while standing, walking, sitting, your posture should be correct. Now personal cleanliness or hygiene. Student, personal cleanliness or hygiene is very important for our good health, because personal hygiene is a must to stay healthy. What we should do for this? We wash our hands before and after every meal. We should brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed. Yes, and we must take bath daily. We should wear clean and iron clothes. We should comb our hair with a clean comb. Okay, we use handkerchiefs for clean our face and nose. And we should clean our ears with the earbuds. And we should wash our eyes with clean water. And student, you must keep our personal belonging also. You should keep your room neat and clean, and we should not share our personal things like soap, comb, towel. Okay? Keep our nails trimmed regularly, and we should not scramble our book and notebook. Now rest. Beta, rest is very necessary for our body, because we must take proper rest, and it helps to refresh our body and our mind also. For this we should take a good sleep 6 to 8 hours every day. हमें कम से कम 6 से 8 घंटे जरूर सोना चाहिए. Okay? Now proper food. As we know, proper food is very necessary for our good health, because if we not eat proper and healthy food, then we fall ill. If we eat junk food, stale food, uncovered food, then because their foods have germs, and germs make us ill. So we should take proper food, and we should eat our 3 meals in a day. What are the 3 meals? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. And we should take all the 3 meals at a proper time. And we must eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and before eating we should wash them. So my dear student, this is the summary of this chapter, health is wealth. Dear student, read this chapter again. Okay? Now see new words and word meaning. Now see beta new words. HEALTH, health. EXERCISES, exercises. POSTURE, posture. MANTAIN, maintain. HYGIENE, hygiene. ILLNESS, illness. CLEANLINESS, cleanliness. FAVOURITE, favorite. REFRESH, refresh. And last one, STRAIGST, straight. So these are the new words. Now let's discuss word meaning. Now see beta, word meaning. First is posture. POSTURE. Posture means pose. What is the spelling of pose? POSE, pose. Now hygiene. HYGIENE. Hygiene means beta cleanliness. CLEANLINESS, cleanness. Now illness. Illness means beta बीमार, sick. Sickness. SICKENE, double S. ILLNESS, illness. SICKNE, sickness. Now trim. Trim means beta cut. Now healthy. HEALTHY, healthy means fit. Now revise again. Posture, pose. Hygiene, cleanliness. Illness, sickness. Trim, cut. Healthy, fit. Now let's discuss book exercises. Now beta A, put a tick or right mark on the correct option. First, our back must be dash while walking. What does that mean? कि हमें वॉक करते समय अपना बैक कैसे रखना चाहिए, अपनी जो बैकबोन होती है उसको कैसे रखना चाहिए. A, straight. B, bent. and C, sideways. नो बेटा बैंड नहीं रखना चाहिए, ऐसे मुड़ा हुआ नहीं रखना चाहिए, साइडवेज में नहीं रखना चाहिए. कैसा रखना चाहिए? स्ट्रेट. तो व्हाट द आंसर? ए. फर्स्ट ए ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. स्ट्रेट. STRAIGHT, straight. Okay. Now see second question. We should sleep for dash hours every day. हमें कितने घंटे रोज सोना चाहिए? A 3 to 4, B 6 to 8 and C 10 to 12. बताइए बेटा. 3 to 4 no, 10 to 12 no, it's also incorrect answer. What's the correct answer? 6 to 8 hours. So B option is correct. 6 to 8 hours. Okay. Now beta, fill in the blank. See, first fill in the blank says we must wash our dash before and after every meal. हमें हमारे क्या धोने चाहिए खाने से पहले और बाद में? बताइए. हैंड्स. सो बी एक्सरसाइज बेटा. फर्स्ट इज हैंड्स. HANDS. HANDS, hands. Now second, we should brush our teeth dash in a day. हमें हमारे टीथ को कितने टाइम ब्रश करना चाहिए एक दिन में? बताइए. 2 times, means twice. Twice a day. TWICE, twice a day. Now third one is we must clean our dash with earbuds. बेटा हमें जो ईयरबड्स आती है उससे अपने क्या क्लीन करने चाहिए? बताइए. ईयर्स. EARS, ears. Now fourth, dash must be clean with clean water. हमें अपने कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट क्लीन वाटर से क्लीन करना चाहिए? यस, आईज. EYES, eyes. Okay. And there is a C activity. Put a tick on the right action and cross on the wrong one. So there are some pictures given. First, a girl clean their ears with earbuds. This is the right. One boy is walking. Yes, is also right. C. One boy use handkerchief to clean his nose. Yes, is also right. And fourth, a girl is sit on the chair but it's not a correct posture. So this is a wrong. Okay, and now we discuss, define these. See beta, now see beta, define these. First is health. बताइए what is health? It is the state of being well and free from illness. Yes beta, what is the health? It is the state of being well and free from illness. Now second is the posture. What is the posture? A particular position of the body. A particular position of the body is a posture. Let's discuss question answer. Yes students, see now question answer. Here 3 questions. Let's discuss their answers. First, why must we play games? Why must we play games? हमें गेम जो होते हैं उनको क्यों खेलना चाहिए बताइए बेटा. वी मस्ट प्ले गेम्स टू कीप अस या टू कीप आवर बॉडी फिट एंड हेल्दी. बेटा हमें गेम इसलिए खेलने चाहिए क्योंकि जो गेम्स होते हैं वो हमारी बॉडी को, हमारे शरीर को फिट रखते हैं और कैसा रखते हैं, हेल्दी रखते हैं. सो व्हाट द आंसर? वी मस्ट प्ले गेम्स to keep our body fit and healthy. Okay, now question second, what is the correct posture while walking? हम जब मूव करते हैं, जब वॉक करते हैं तो हमारा जो posture होता है, जो हमारी बॉडी को होल्ड करने का जो तरीका होता है वो कैसा होना चाहिए बताइए, कैसा होना चाहिए बेटा? वी मस्ट कीप आवर चेस्ट, we must keep our chest out and our head high while walking. जब हम लोग वॉक कर रहे हैं, चल रहे हैं, तो हमारा चेस्ट बाहर की तरफ निकला हुआ और हमारा जो सर होता है वो हाई होना चाहिए. ऐसे नीचे मुँह करके ऐसे नहीं चलना चाहिए. ठीक है, हेड बिल्कुल सामने हाई और चेस्ट बाहर की तरफ होनी चाहिए. सो व्हाट द आंसर? वी मस्ट कीप आवर चेस्ट आउट एंड head high while walking. Okay, now question third, why do we need to take proper rest? हमें proper rest यानी आराम से, जो आराम, रेस्ट यानी आराम, हमारी जो बॉडी होती है उसको आराम करने की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? अगर हम पूरे दिन लगातार काम करते रहेंगे तो क्या होगा? क्या आप कर सकते हैं 24 आवर्स काम वर्क कर सकते हैं? नहीं ना बेटा. उससे क्या होगा? हमारी बॉडी थक जाएगी और हम लोग बीमार हो जाएंगे. हो सकता है हम एक दिन ऐसा काम कर लें, 2 दिन कर लें, बट थर्ड डे तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा टायर्डनेस आएगी और वी फॉल इल और हम बीमार हो जाएंगे. तो बच्चे जैसे काम करना ज़रूरी है वैसे ही रेस्ट करना भी ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, हमारी बॉडी एक मशीन है, जिस जैसे मशीन में हम काम करते रहते हैं पर उसको भी रेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत होती है क्योंकि वो गर्म हो जाती है. इसी तरह हमारे शरीर को भी हम लगातार काम नहीं कर सकते, हमारी बॉडी को भी काम करने के बाद एक प्रॉपर रेस्ट की ज़रूरत होती है. जैसे हम लोग दिन में थोड़ी देर आराम कर सकते हैं और रात को प्रॉपर हमें नींद लेनी चाहिए 6 to 8. उससे क्या होगा? हमारी बॉडी और हमारा ब्रेन दोनों को रेस्ट मिलेगा और अगले दिन जब हम इन द मॉर्निंग जब हम उठेंगे, वेकअप होंगे, तो हमारी बॉडी ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक होगी और हम ज़्यादा एनर्जी से काम कर सकेंगे. ओके, तो व्हाट द आंसर? वी मस्ट टेक proper rest because it helps to refresh our body and brain. क्योंकि ये हमारी बॉडी को और हमारे ब्रेन को क्या करता है? रिफ्रेश करता है. ठीक है, तो अगेन सीधा आंसर, वी मस्ट टेक प्रॉपर रेस्ट because it refresh our body and brain. So dear student, this is the revision of our chapter health is wealth. My dear student, learn this chapter. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask to us in the live class also. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Bye bye beta.